This is the service elevator at the Hillman Library, University of Pittsburgh, Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally an old Westinghouse, but then it was modernized with Otis Series 2 vandal resistant. Basement. It's open. Up. Nuts locked. 4. Quiet study area. Will be really quiet when we get up there. It's a quiet study area. Here are 4. This elevator's doors are not very quiet, however. Go back down to ground. Basic cab. Oh, drop. Certificate? What the heck? 2004? That's like the most ridiculous certificate expiration I've ever seen. Oh, you know, it's probably just in the office. Most of them are in the facilities management offices. Drop key, an alarm. There it goes, and that's it. That's a staff elevator.